Morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we're gonna show you how to install Windows 11 the pretty easy way. Okay, and first thing you have to do, go into google.com or whatever, google.ca or whatever. Um, do your search Windows 11 download. Okay, go to Microsoft. Okay, and then Windows 11. Sorry, no thanks. Windows 11. Let's go. Okay, there you go. Okay, you don't do Windows 11 install assistant. You don't create a Windows 11 installation. You get yourself a well, you could create Windows 11 installation media if you want, but just go ahead and download the image, Windows 11 disk image ISO. Okay, so you need to click next. I mean, next is select your download. It's Windows 11 Multi Edition ISO. Click download. Okay, choose the language. I'll choose English, United States. Confirm, and then download the 64-bit download. That's the only one there is now for Windows 11. There's no 32-bit no more. Okay, so don't look for 32-bit. There's no 32-bit. All right, next, do a search for. We did for Rufus. I mean, we did for Microsoft Windows 11 download. Now do Rufus. That'll be your bootable media creator. Okay, and that's what it looks like. Okay, it's actually an executable file. Okay, so you click the Rufus 3.18. That's the up to date today, 2022 4/24 2022. But this one is updated, like it was updated last update, it was 2022 03.11. So you have 3.18. That's the right one. Okay, so you just click that, and it's a portable save as. You can save it anywhere. You can save it to your desktop. Like you're gonna run it anyways. Okay. Close. Okay, I already downloaded those two files. I'm gonna show you. Okay, I have it downloaded in here, my external data hard drive, Windows 11, Windows 11 21H2, Windows 11, and there it is. Okay, so one way that you could do it, it's you open the Windows 11 English x64.iso. Okay, You double click it, and that's gonna mount. So then you go to this PC, and it gives you a virtual DVD drive. You open this one. This one you do a highlight them all. You do a copy, and then you do a paste in the folder that you created on your desktop. Okay, now what you do, you create another folder and you paste it inside the the second folder. But it doesn't matter if it's a second folder. It's just I like to create another folder. But anyways, then what you do, you go and open the source. Okay, in here you look for a folder, not this one, appraiser, not that one. You have to go look for this one right here. Okay, that's the one that you're looking for. APPRAISERRES .dll. Okay, so now you did that. I'll show you that it's gonna work. You double click the setup. Well, I don't have to show you. Like, you just double click the setup, and it's not gonna do the check. It's gonna zip right through the same way as it used to be. Very, very simple. And the next way that uh, you do you do it, you could, if you want to do it, that's to do an upgrade only that way. Okay, you just do an upgrade. You don't do clean install. Next, you do a clean install. Okay, so what you do, okay, you did download the Windows 11 file. I just showed you. Oh, I don't know why I closed it. Okay, I have the same one. Okay, okay, then you run Rufus that I just downloaded not too long ago. It's the newest version. You execute. Okay, you execute the Rufus, the creator program. Okay, now you just look at it like I already burned it. I don't know if you're gonna say that, but I changed the name, so I put Windows 11 underscore x64. Okay, and you have to select. Okay, you do a select, and then you look for the ISO that you just downloaded of Windows 11. You don't have to download Windows 10 and do some transfer. We could do it that way, but that's the easier way. I light it, open. It puts it into Rufus. Okay, and then it gives you a choice here, image option. Okay, it says standard Windows 11 installation, TPM 2.0. That's your requirement that you need. Yeah, it has to meet that. Okay, the platform. Now, also plus secure boot, but you don't want that. Okay, if you want to install, that's the new computers. Okay, that's what you need. But let's change that to extend Windows 11 installation, no TPM, no secure boot. Okay, click that. And the newer computer, you could do it in JPT if it's a UEFI. Okay, GPT format, but we'll do it in MBR. That's a legacy a BIOS set to legacy. And then we could change the name here. Oh, Windows 11. Okay, and then you click start. And it's gonna zip by. It's gonna say here, it's gonna give you a percentage. Okay, and then at the end, it's gonna uh, remove restriction. Okay, for TPM and secure boot. It's gonna modify the ISO or the created tool. I mean, created media. Yeah, created media. Okay, click start, and then it's gonna zip by, and it's gonna give me where is okay, there it is here. Okay, I give it the name Windows 11 X64. Okay, there it is. Okay, and let's check if it took out that. Yeah, it did. It did take it out. That's what they're doing. Yeah, that's what they're doing. No, it's right there. That's not what they're doing. So I don't know really what they're doing, but maybe they replaced the file. Maybe they took that file out and put an older file. Maybe that's how they did it. I'm not sure. But anyways, I know that bootable USB that you could do a clean install or you could do an upgrade. Also, it's always handy to have a bootable media to do a clean install or do a repair. I think you could also do a restore point or a backup. Yeah, you could do the reprime the backup with this media. Okay, so change our setup download update. You click that and say no, not right now. Okay, click next. Getting updates. It shouldn't take long. I don't know how good my satellite is today. I'm on satellite, so it's not very fast. Let's go. Windows 11. Hmm. I don't know why it does that. Oh, there you go. I think maybe I already had started and I didn't stop it. Okay, then accept and then getting updates. Oh, I didn't remove the update. And now it's checking for updates. I forgot. You see, it takes a lot longer. It's checking for updates. Usually, at first, I remove the updates. I said, do not get the updates right away. But I forgot. I went too fast. Sorry. Oh, I have to. No, you have to wait until it's all done. Oh, the heck with it. I gotta close it. I know for sure it's gonna go through without checking for the requirement. I know that. Okay, now I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna make sure This mount is not there. And I'm gonna go back to my created USB, my bootable USB. Double click. And now it should start the way it's supposed to. I hope. Close this. It's preparing. Sorry about that, boys and girls. Okay, this time, don't forget. Change, setup, download, and update. If you have a fast internet, I imagine it's okay. Like, but I usually don't. Okay, it might won't maybe it won't install all your drivers, but I look for my drivers all by myself. I always have my drivers saved somewhere, but it's your choice. Okay, and then let's click next. Checking that appears that window. You need to accept. Making sure they're ready to install. If there's enough room. Yeah, enough. And then there you go. It says ready to install. You just click install and it would continue to install the normal way. But it would be Windows 11 instead of Windows 10. It looks a little bit different. I'm not going to do the complete install. I just want to show you how to bypass the requirement. Because I'll show you, okay, right now I'm on Windows 10. Okay, the command is winver, meaning Windows version. Pops up and it's version 21H2 OS build 1904.1645 Windows 10 Pro operating system. So now you know it works to upgrade Windows 10. It should do the same thing on Windows 7. You know, on an old computer, Windows 7. It should. I'm not sure. I didn't try it, but I'm suspecting it could install on any computer or even on a clean install. Okay, so let's close this, and that's done. Really, that's all I have to show you. It's that's how quick it is. Just download your stuff, burn it, create it. I mean, with Rufus, and make sure that you remove the TPM and secure boot, and make sure it's NTFS. You're gone to the races, and then just don't make it your main computer. But if you want to check it before buying a new computer, and if you have enough RAM, at least I would say 6 to 8 gigs of RAM, have decent CPU, quad core, dual core, minimum dual core, quad core, at least a 2.8 gigahertz speed. And I do recommend to get yourself an SSD if you have a spin drive, get yourself a fast SSD drive, solid state, and get to me. I use about a 250, but 500 is good. Don't save anything to your PC. Don't make it a gaming PC with a small hard drive. That's gonna be your choice. But I wouldn't install it on a computer that uh, you know You don't know what's gonna happen next version of Windows 11. Okay, next update is coming in 2022 in November, actually. So that's uh, that's gonna be nice to see if it's gonna continue doing the same thing. I could burn it with Rufus, and Rufus actually fixes it, modifies it for you, so you don't have to do nothing. But like I said, one way is to delete that file. It did work for the version that I did the last past November, like last year. And this year, well, let's see if it's gonna work. If it doesn't work, well, I'll make another video. Says, well, it doesn't work no more. Sorry, boys. Okay, that's it for tonight for this video. So enjoy. Hope that's gonna help everyone to that wants to check out Windows 11. Goodbye now. Thank you. And I'll put some link maybe in the description in the bottom. You could read it, whatever. Okay, and I guess rate the video. Okay, for me, please. Thank you. Bye.